What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in to Multilingual Monday. It's going to be another short banger. As you guys know, the last 2 weeks basically were very unproductive in regards to working on language, working on acquiring technical knowledge, all that stuff. So I've went back and I've revamped my plan for studying Spanish. In terms of how that fits into my schedule, I'm going to aim to have it done between the hours of 6 to 7, or 6 to 8. So I get back from the gym at about 6, eat a quick dinner, and then for the first hour, I'm going to be practicing Spanish, working on building vocab 10 minutes, grammar practice 10 minutes, listening practice 10 minutes, speaking practice 10 minutes, and then reading and writing. And then after that, for English, I'm going to do kind of the same thing: grammar and style practice, vocab building practice, reading comprehension. Damn, I'm saying so this is adding to my tally. That sucks. But yeah, I'll be going through all the different things that I wanted to hit in terms of gaining competency in English. So practicing more writing, practicing building more vocabulary, practicing writing with different styles, those kinds of things. Practicing working on writing endurance. Damn it. Because writing endurance is something that I think is pretty important, and it's a muscle that if you don't use it, it atrophies, and I can feel it atrophying. So that's what I'm going to be working on starting today. Today is the 28th. Next week, I will have some substantial progress for you guys, and I'm excited to show you how I've been getting back into the saddle. That said, this week, or today in general, has been very productive. I got up, excuse me, went on a walk, came back, did my orienting the day, did some work stuff that I had to take care of, came back, took a nap, went to the gym, revamped my schedule, revamped my goals, tutored some kids, and then, am putting out this video. But that said, look forward to, I guess tomorrow's video is going to be kind of the same tone as this one. I guess I'll just have one day of technical work under my belt so I can kind of speak about what I did and what I plan to do moving forward. So thanks again for tuning in. As always, leave me some comments. Let me know what you guys think. Questions, comments, concerns are always very appreciated. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Stay juicy.